Guys, today we talk about how can you change language on your FxPro app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to. So when you click here on more here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on appearance here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on language. So then here can you change your language in this list here. You will have a lot of languages can you select in this list. So that's all you have to do to change your language here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.